Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna take a look at some amazing projects that may inspire you and keep you motivated. Chris Jones has been working on this absolutely fantastic facial animation project, and the results look super realistic. This is a personal project that was created by Remy after he was involved in creating a cover for an aviation magazine. He made everything apart from the models, and the results look great. In creating this project, Amir did everything in Blender and Photoshop. He has created fire using Blender's Quick Smoke, and the whole project took him 1 week from start to finish. The maggot invasion in space was created using Blender and rendered using Cycles X. Greg created a video of his cat chasing a BB-8 he made in Blender and rendered in Cycles.
Smudge.